ತುಮಕೂರಿನ ಮರಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆನ್ನೆತ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ತ್ರಿಸದಸ್ಯರ ನಿಯೋಗ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಸಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಬಿ ಲಿಂಗೇಗೌಡ, ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ರವಿಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವರ ತಂಡ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾ ನಿಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಗೌರವ ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಸಾಹೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಸಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಬಿ ಲಿಂಗೇಗೌಡ ಅವರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 5 ದಶಕಗಳ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸೇವೆಯ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗುರುತುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಅಂಕಿ ಅಂಶಗಳ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ವಿದೇಶಿ ನಿಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಮೊದಲ ಭೇಟಿ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಳೆದ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಅವಲಾನ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಜೊತೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಆರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಡೆದ ಫಲಪ್ರದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ನಂತರ ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಮಕೂರಿನ ಸಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
It's rare that you get the experience that you have here in terms of the connections. Our two institutions are very similar. We're both rapidly growing, rapidly moving into the next level. FIU may be a little bit ahead because we started as a university 50 years ago. I know you started over 60 years ago. And then emerged into a university, but in many ways there's a lot of similarities. I was moved actually by your mission to reach the unreached from your founder. The mission, yeah. Because that's who I am. Sorry, I'm getting a little emotional. Had some wine. Been a little tired, but I want to say I moved because I'm a first generation. That means my parents didn't go to college. They did hourly jobs their whole lives. And they just told me, look, get a college degree. That's all they told me, get a college degree. I didn't go to a top university, but I went to the local university. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. And then they had moved to Orlando, Florida, so I went to University of Central Florida, got my bachelor's degree. I went back to Michigan, got my PhD, and the faculty are amazing here. The administration is obviously top notch. And the students, I can tell you, I've been around the world, I've never seen students run up to me and basically try to grab me and pull me aside and ask me questions. You have, like, incredible students. So, and then I love the rural mission because even though I grew up in cities, I was originally from Detroit, I lived in Miami, the rural mission is incredibly important. And I've tried to put that into when I was an administrator, our mission at FIU, even though we're an urban institution, we have to go out in the community. And so I think there's a number of things that we can collaborate on. I know, obviously some things we can do is immediately do some sort of course plus programs, or what we call badging or micro-credentials in only a couple locations in Italy, and we had a campus in China, which we're no longer working in hospitality, only in special areas. And so we have an office of FIU Global, and the director asked me to bring this flag and present it, and maybe we can take a picture either now or later, but I want to present this FIU Global flag to SSIT. Hopefully in the future we
I took an operational. So this is my 40th year in operational forensic science. Next month, July 7th, will be my 40th year in forensic science. It's always been to promote the science. It's also, for me, always been to help others. Because we know that we could go into business, we know we could go do other things, but at the end of the day, supporting the global community is the most important thing. Ken and I have traveled around the world together. Starting in 1996 in Japan, we've competed with each other on scientific conferences. We still like each other. And in 2018, I took my nonprofit organization, a public charity that focused only on forensic science, and said, Provost Furton, I think it's time that we merge our organizations together. I've supported forensic science in over 40 countries. I do it on a daily basis. Your staff, your students, and your whole organization is something to be taken in awe. We have had a great 8 days. Seems like it's 80 days. Dr. Iger, everybody's being nice to him. We started at 8:30 and we ended at 11 p.m. I love Indian food just as much as Ken does. And it was funny that yesterday somebody said, would you like a McDonald's? And I said no. And that happens to us in a lot of places we go because they think we're the typical people from the United States.
With my wife, and now today I saw that campus has grown so beautifully in terms of sharing the knowledge, sharing the prosperity, and sharing all the things that I've achieved with common people. So why do I say that? Because the whole idea of what I felt was, they said, what is the goal of this university? I was asking. And I think they said, we want to reach rural people, rural folks. We have some problems in America too. I have given a lot of talks in the United States on cyber security. In rural places, there is not much of things. So that concept and the idea, what he was propagating right from the beginning, is very unimaginable, because India is a very different country now. When I left 54 years back, I'm very fortunate. It has been a fantastic journey. And so Dr. Parmeshwara is one person which always reminds me to reach people who cannot achieve what they want. So we have a little similarity, and I would let our Provost Furton to say that.
I request in both of you, at least minimum 5 faculty from SSIT, 10 students from SSIT and medical colleges should be sent to your FIU. In the meanwhile, in fact, Dr. PLG from Manipal keeps saying that if anybody is interested in spending minimum 3 months here, we will take care of local hospitality. It will add a lot of weightage to our university. We are always open to receive all of you, and I'm sure both of you are impressed with your services here, and we'll be happy. And a few people have come Just a few hours back, I called Dr. Taslim Arif. He's here. Just gone outside. Dr. Ebenezer, sir, please stand up. We are extremely thankful to you, sir. Dr. Ramana Rao, I'm sure most of you have seen him as a senior cardiologist. And in the afternoon, he came to know that in this room, I will come here. Professor R.P. Pai has come from all the way from Manipal. Thank you. And all my principals. And now it is the time to take it forward. Professor Iyengar is there. He said, any number of projects, you start writing. In fact, he was advising Ren Kalata today. After you might have going, you start writing, start communicating to him. Even in the midnight, he writes. Last week when I went with Srinidhi to his house, he was with the system. He didn't see us for almost 12 minutes. It was so serious. So similar kind of things should happen. I'm sure in the coming years, we'll take Sahid to newer heights. I'm extremely thankful to all the people who have traveled all the way from Tumkur to Bangalore for this MOU exchange program. And I'm extremely thankful to our Honorable Chancellor. His wishes is always there with us. Of course, thanks to Madam and thanks to Professor Iyengar who has made this to happen. Thank you, Jai Siddhartha.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MS ರವಿಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ತುಮಕೂರು. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕದ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತವಾದಂಥ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವಾದಂತಹ ಫ್ಲಾರಿಡಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ 3 ಜನರ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಣಿತರ ತಂಡ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದ್ದು, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆವಿನ್ ಲಾಟ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆನೆತ್ ಫರ್ಟನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SS ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್ ಈ 3 ಪರಿಣಿತರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9:30 ಶುರುವಾದಂತಹ ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈಗ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಂಪನ್ನವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂದ ರೀತಿ, ನಾವು ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂತೋಷಕರವಾದಂತಹ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ಗಳಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, NAC, NBA ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಲ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಂದಂತಹ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು, ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದಂತಹ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಲಿಂಗೇಗೌಡ ಅವರು, ಆನಂತರ ಪರಿಣಿತರ ತಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳ ಉತ್ತಮೋತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ AIML ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, RHV ರಿನ್ಯೂವಬಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ರಿನ್ಯೂವಬಲ್ ರಿಲೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಆಯಾ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರುಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SS ಅಯ್ಯಂಗರ್, ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆನೆತ್ G ಫರ್ಟನ್, ಸಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MZ ಕುರಿಯನ್, ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿವೇಕ್ ವೀರಯ್ಯ, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಿವಾಕರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಜಂಟಿ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.